Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some theorem of the topic properties of triangle. So, let us start theorem number 1. In theorem first, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Again, repeat. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This theorem is another name is angle sum property of a triangle. Anybody asked you some property of a triangle, so you can say the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let us prove it. First of all, we take a triangle ABC. ABC. Let a triangle ABC. Here construction required. Here we construct a line to parallel BC. The hairline, draw the line EF. EF. Parallel to BC. The here draw a line EAF parallel to BC. Is it clear? In this case, here construction required. So we construct line EAF is parallel to BC. Construction always in a stretch in dotted line. Is it clear? Now, EAF is parallel to BC and in both line BC and EAF there are two transversal lines AB and AC. So here we take a transversal line AB and AB is a transversal. Here name the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore we write angle 5 is equal to angle 2 because these angles pair of alternate angles. So here write alternate angles. We know that alternate angles are equal. In both line, here AB is a transversal, so we write angle 5 is equal to angle 2 because these angles are called alternate angles. The alternate angles are equal, so we write angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Again, line EAF parallel to BC and here take transversal line AB. Now we take the transversal line AC. AC is a transversal line. So we write angle 4 is equal to angle 3 because these are alternate angles. Is it clear? But EAF is a line. So we write, again repeat here, a line EAF. लाइन के एक साइड जितने भी एंगल्स बनते हैं सभी का सम 180 होता है. इस एक पॉइंट पे टोटल कितने एंगल्स है? 3. 1, 2, 3. तो ऑल 3 एंगल्स सम विल बी 180. Here write angle 5 plus angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Right here because linear pair property. Linear pair. In first here angle 5 is equal to 2. In the place of 5 write angle 2 plus angle 1. Angle 4 is equal to angle 3. The right angle 4 is equal to 3 is equal to 184. Therefore angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. Proved. Lastly we write hence the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss theorem number 2. In theorem 2, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So here let a triangle ABC and BC produced at a point D. Is it clear? Here naming the angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Let side BC of a triangle ABC be produced to D. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is equation first. But BD is a line. तो वी राइट हेयर किसी भी लाइन की एक साइड में किसी एक पॉइंट पे जितने भी एंगल्स बनते हैं सभी का सम 180 होता है. मीन्स एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 एक पॉइंट पे. इस एक पॉइंट पे कितने एंगल बने हैं? मात्र दो, 3 एंड 4 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. राइट लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी. लीनियर पेयर प्रॉपर्टी. We let this equation is 2. From first and second, here RHS be equal. Here RHS 180 degree, also here 180 degree. So LHS is equal. So we write angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 cancel out. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Proved. Is it clear? Now let us discuss some questions. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, in a triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 72 degree and angle B is equal to 63 degree, find angle C. So first of all draw a figure. Triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 72 degree. So we draw this type. Angle ABC. Here angle A is equal to 72 degree. Angle B is equal to 63 degree. Find the angle C. So we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is symbol of triangle. The angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 72 degree. Angle B is equal to 63 degree. Plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 6 13, 135 degree. 180 minus 135, we get 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 3 4, 45 degree. Hence, angle C is equal to 45 degree. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. Here angles given in ratio. Destroy with variable here. Let the measure of the angles B 4:3:2 means 4x, 3x and 2x. Destroy separately. Now we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If you want to draw a figure, to draw here. This is triangle ABC. This angle is 4x, 3x, 2x. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 4x, angle B is equal to 3x, angle C is equal to 2x is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 3 plus 2 means 9x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 9 is equal to 20 degree. Hence, the angles B, first angle 4x means 4 into 20 degree. Next 3 into 20 degree. Or last 2 into 20 degree. Therefore, 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. The required angles be 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, one of the acute angles of a right triangle is 36 degree. Find the other. The first of all, we draw a right triangle. In right triangle, one angle is always 90 degree. Draw this type figure. 90 degree. This is angle ABC. One of the acute angles of a right triangle is 36 degree. In right triangle, there are two acute angles. Here, angle B and C. तो one of them means दोनों में से कोई एक 36 डिग्री है. तो we let angle B is equal to 36 degree. So find the other angle. So find the angle C here. So we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. the angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A 90 degree here, angle B 36 degree, or angle C required is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree is equal to 54 degree. Hence the other angle is equal to 54 degree. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 15A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.